En jopuonjre mag mbalariany ma Nairobi makwan gi ok tin ne 400 obwogo mar rocho chenro mar sidho jopuonjre mano graduation mid bag odiochieng' makiny ka ging'ur ni olornegi oko e listi ma jopuonjre mowinjore oyudo osimbo bang' tieko sombgi. Jopuonjre mar bad mbalariany no ma Kabete campus ma timo somo otore gi weche mag ohala dwaro ni lernegi malong'o gimomiyo nyingegi onge listi no ka kuom adieri to gisetieko sombgi. Giwacho ni okang' ma kamano chalo kum kendo gidwa ni migi ler gimomiyo odinnegi to ginyal yudo puoth kaka jopuonjre moko.
This act is not only a blatant violation of our rights, but also an acceptable breach of the trust students place in the institution.
We have parents, we have people from all over the country who have just come to watch us graduate, but they can't do that. Why? Because of the simple fact, because of 2 people are missing out the mark, so 350 students have to suffer due to the consequence of 2 people who are illegally put into the graduation list as per se. We have not even confirmed that.
And this associate dean is the one who seems to be powerful. His name is Dr. Gidhi. For accountability,
must go.
For students to graduate,
Must go.
We will not relent to see University of Nairobi, being overtaken by small universities, others.
Yeah. The junior students coming from third years all the way up to first years, they're all worried with this one question. Will they finish school? That's the key question. Will we finish school? We want to know. And that can only be demonstrated once our seniors are given a chance to graduate.
We will explore every avenue available to us, including further peaceful demonstrations and legal redress.